How to pay Mint Mobile bill for someone else. Begin by logging into your Mint Mobile account through the official website or app using your email address and password. This ensures secure access. Once logged in, locate the account section in the app or dashboard. This is where payment and account management options are found. In the account menu, click on Billing and Payment or a similar option. Here you will find the details of the current plan and payment methods. If you are managing multiple lines, select the line for which you want to pay the bill. Confirm the associated mobile number to avoid mistakes. Mint Mobile allows you to pay using credit or debit card or other stored payment methods. If necessary, add a new payment method by selecting Add Payment Method. Provide accurate card or bank details. Double check to ensure the payment goes through without errors. If you are paying for someone else regularly, enable auto renewal for their account. This way, the bill is automatically paid when due. Confirm the exact amount due. If the recipient wants to upgrade or add features, adjust the payment accordingly before proceeding. Click Pay Now to process the transaction. You will receive a confirmation screen showing the payment was successful. By following these steps, you can easily pay someone else Mint Mobile bill while ensuring accuracy and avoiding interruption to their service. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.